just made my very own precious phone case. Hey everybody, it's me Mishaya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY phone cases. Instead of buying it, it'll be really expensive, but you can make one at home. It'll be really expensive and glamorous. So we have some glue. Here we have this cute unicorn. It's so cute because I love unicorns. You can draw with a piece of paper like this unicorn and cut it out and put some glitter on, and then you have a pretty unicorn. Now I'm going to take the phone case out of the phone. There we go. First, I'm going to put the glitter on now. So I'm going to open up the glue. Now I'm going to squeeze the glue and okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to spread around with my finger. Ooh, it's working. That should be good. Okay, done spreading it. Now the exciting part is add the glitter on the phone case. I choose this color because I just love white, because it'll make, if I put it all around the phone case, it'll be so pretty. So I'm gonna do it right now. There. Wow, guys, it's so pretty. Guys, isn't it wonderful? Wow, so beautiful. Okay, that should be good. Now, I didn't put the glitter here because this base is for the unicorn. Wow, it's so cool. Isn't it cool, guys? Now, I'm gonna let it dry. Yes, I just made my very own precious phone case. It's dried already. Now, I've been waiting for this all day, so I made my very own phone case. It's so pretty. Guys, do you like it? I like it too. I hope you're gonna make your very own phone case just like me. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to subscribe, press that bell, and press the like button. See you soon, guys. Bye!